Hello everybody, my name is Swifty, and today's a very special day because we're starting Honk Season 3. And today, I messed up my audio stuff, so that means I am voice-overing this episode and a couple other episodes to come. So if the audio doesn't quite match up, or like you don't hear my friends speaking, that is because I am voicing over this. Also, this was streamed live on twitch.tv/ThatSwifty. If you want to go check me out there. They couldn't hear me also, so there's nothing in chat because people just got bored and just thought it was silent streaming, which is not something I do. So I just start out. Mangro and C minor 3 are in this series with me, as with the Honk SMP Season 1 and 2. If you haven't checked out Spicy Mango's channel, please go do so now. He makes great music and couple of shorts. So this is okay, so I just have to, I'm time-lapsing this bit now because like it's just a slight time-lapse. It's only like 1.86 time-lapse. But I'm just getting wood. I'm doing everything the basic starter person would do. And let's listen to some music while I put this in. While I do this. Okay, so the jungle island you see in front of you is Glyland. It's short for the Glitched Island, and that's where I'm going to be making my base this season. Glyland is a jungle forest, and the reason it's called Glyland is it's glitched around the borders, and there's going to be like sort of walls under the ocean separating it. And there's 2 shipwrecks on Glyland, which I figure out. So we're just quickly grabbing those. 1 chest, I'll grab another chest, which is down here. But I'm just gonna cut the video to save you this time. And the ruined portal is where I'm gonna set up most of my stuff for the early game. The ruined portal, it's just a ruined portal that's on, Glyland. It's the biggest ruined portal I've seen. I haven't seen really in the game the ones that like hang with the gold block on top. So that's the one I found, and I'm gonna set up my nether portal there and hopefully make it look sort of like an abandoned island on this side, and then sort of like a resort on the other side with a like sort of village in between, like a treehouse village. You guys don't know the amount of times I've put out that fire, and I'll fix that tree later. Okay, continuing the music. Sort of boating around Glyland. I'm gonna go to the mainland and see what everyone else has pretty much been doing. I didn't really know my way the first time, and the mainland is a mushroom biome with spruce and birch on one side, and oak and birch on one side, and spruce and on the other side, just spruce, and the ocean. See, I'm looking for mushroom biome. If you can see like the weird lines in my mini map, like that sort of surround the island, that's what I mean by glitched. You kind of see like weird terrain glitches. Okay, there's the Mushroom Island. I'm gonna gather more wood. And we'll be right back. I'm arriving at the mushroom biome. Boop. Okay, so look. Alright, so I'm basically grabbing a mushroom cow, so I can get like infinite food on my island. It's just for early game mainly. So, sea miner setting up base here. I think her plan is to build a tree house, if I heard correctly. And boom. Now I'm gonna run back, grab the cow. I'm gonna go get my boat to put the cow in. Wait, I do have weight in my inventory. I bring the cow over, the mushroom cow. If you guys didn't know, which if you've never been in a mushroom biome before, you can actually right-click mushrooms bowls and you get mushroom soup. Or mushroom soup, anyway. So let's head back to Glyland. Okay, we're coming back. I think I'm gonna put the mushroom cow in this shipwreck right here. Like right here. Okay, so I'm going to break thing. And now I'm gonna create a little pen for him. I'm gonna put one block down so he can, so I can reach him with the mushroom soup. Boom, this is pretty cool. Okay, so now let's break this and let's hold the wheat. Let's bring him up. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get him up here, maybe. Come on. Okay. Wait, come on. Maybe 2 blocks? 2 blocks could work. Okay, yeah. I have to make this too wide then. Okay, come on, mushroom. Moosh boy. Mushy. Mushy. Your name is Mushy, sir. I literally named that up on the spot. Okay, yeah, he does have to fit in a 2x2 space, so... Bring him in, come on. Boom. 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 Mushy is now entirely mooshed into the moosh pit. I don't know. I'm gonna create a door right here. Now I have infinite food, ideally. I'm just gonna break so I can come on all sides. Okay. I need a jungle block for that. I'm just gonna take one from right here. Ooh. It's a pretty nice shipwreck, to be honest. Get that jungle plank. Boom. Okay. Now we probably want a door. Put everything in this chest, the loot chest that I got. Okay, yeah, I have a door. Gonna go back in. Boop. Okay, cool. That's mushroom done. I'm gonna grab a stair so I can put it above the door to make it look nicer. Oh, and I need a block right there. Boom. Okay, so there's Mushy the mushroom in the mushroom area. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna put the rest of my stuff in here, and boom, okay. Make it a double chest. First chest I've crafted. And I'm just gonna put 4 mushroom soups into my inventory, grab my wooden stuff. Okay. Okay. Got a wooden sword. Alright, now I'm gonna go grab some 3 stones so I can get a stone pickaxe, and we might go mining. I don't know what that 4 stones were. Don't ask what the past me was doing. Okay. So yeah, grab a crafting table. I'll grab some wood just for. I learned later that chest can't burn, but I was just kind of worried. Right now that chest could burn, so I had to keep putting out that fire. But chest actually can't burn, which I'm sure I knew, but I forgot. Okay, where am I gonna build a staircase to go mining? I just kind of run around here for a little while. Yeah, I'm just gonna save you the trouble by cutting this out of the video. Alright, boom. Okay, we're starting mining. Okay. So, mine. You know what? I'm gonna save you the trouble. Actually, yeah, I'll cut this out of the video too. And I'll block it up because I'm smart. Okay. Yeah, I'll build another portal now. Grab that. Let's see, how much obsidian do I have? Do I have enough? I just have enough. Okay. I'll have to do the lava bucket and water bucket trick. Yeah, I'm just gonna count, make sure. Yep. Cool. Cool. Grab a water bucket. Boom. Another water bucket just in case I lose the first one. Okay, now let's just quickly make like a little area. Okay. Lava bucket. Help. Lava. Okay, boom. Grab one more lava bucket. This is what I just put it on top. Okay, boom. Full portal. Let's go. Okay, this is insane. Boom. Okay, let's go check up on the nether. Let's see. Well, let's see what it looks like. And I'm still struggling with this. I just want to say. Okay, so we spawn in a cave. This is the most absolutely insane nether. Warped fortress. Warped fortress. And then beyond that warped fortress, there's a crimson forest. Fortress. So yeah, that is the best nether I have seen in a while. So we have a good spawn. We have mushroom biome, which is rare, spruce, birch and oak, and a jungle, which is also rare. And then in the nether, we have a fortress right next to the portal. It's in a nether waste, so I can make a great wither farm out of it. As well as we have a crimson forest and a warped forest. And there's a patch of a small soul sand valley beyond those. Okay, now I'm just kind of running around again. Yep. As you can see, this is the productive mind of... Yeah, okay, I'm not even going to... Okay, I'm gonna grab some jungle. I'm just gonna try and get 4 saplings for a giant jungle tree. Yeah, I'll spare you the trouble. I'll cut this out of the video as well. Yeah. Okay, I've done this. It's time to get into the mining time lapse with some lovely music. And that tree's probably never gonna grow and it's gonna be annoying. Anyway, we're gonna quickly go into this time lapse. Thank you guys all so much for watching this episode of Honk SMP Season 3. This is the start of a great new season. And thank you guys all so much for watching. Goodbye!